Let's put some number first that we're going to use for the average. Next is type the formula. After typing the formula, click the cell and highlight it. Then click enter. Now our total average is 626. What if, let's say, that I only like to add 2 cells or 2 numbers? What is the formula that we're going to use? No problem, guys. It's just the same. We're going to use sum of in parentheses, then click the cell that you want. For example, D3, comma, D7, then close parenthesis, click enter. Now, the total sum is 1,223.
Let's now move on how to use the formula of COUNTIF. First, type the formula, and next step is click the cell and highlight them all. After that, type comma, then the quotation mark, and click the word that you'd want to count. For example, color violet. Then quotation mark again. Now the total answer on how many color violet is equal to 4. In computing SUMIFs, first you have to select a cell, then type the formula. Next is select the sum range. Then add comma. Then select the first range, which is the product. Then add comma. After that, click the criteria. Next is click the second range and comma again, then add the last criteria. After that, click close parenthesis and enter. Now the total SUMIF of Lias Hopia is 125. It's just the same way process in computing this, but now we're going to use Janus product. First, select a cell. Then type the formula. Next is select the sum range. Then add comma. Then select the first range. Then comma. And select the criteria. Then select the second range. Then comma. And the last criteria. Now the total SUMIF of Janus pudding is 86. Here we have a table of data which consists of year and value columns. To average those function corresponding of year is equals to 2012. Now we have to compute. First, type the formula. Then enter the range, which is A2 to A12. Type comma, then quotation mark, then select the year you want to compute, then quotation mark and comma, and lastly close parenthesis. Next is we will use the criteria of values B2 to B12. Now the total average is 5.833. I have the list of first name and last name here. Let's now use this to concatenate. First, write the formula, then select the text 1, comma, then text 2. Notice that it put the information in B2 and C2. We can extend this formula, so it will be just easy. Notice that we need space between the first name and last name. We will use this formula, concatenate B2, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, C2, close parenthesis. Now it has space. Let's now expand this so it will be just easy. That would be all. Thank you.